Hi, I'm Discipline Dave, and today we're going to work out your shoulders and nothing else. Now, if this is your first time tuning into this video is a part of a series, the No Attachment Resistance Band Workout Series. So go ahead and click the playlist at the end of the video so you can apply this workout to the weekly planner that I provide at the end of each video. So if you're looking to work out your entire body and get results, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single workout. Now, for those subscribers out there, I told you last week I have a special announcement, and that special announcement is I'm doing a giveaway on Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm gonna pick random people. I may send you a message, I may call you, but anyways, I'm gonna be giving away so many fitness items, from resistance bands to pull-up bars, absolutely free. All you need to do is follow me on Instagram and make sure if I send you a message that you reply. Now, if you wanna find out exactly when the giveaway is gonna be, make sure you tune into next week's video. Today, I'm using resistance bands by UnderSun Fitness. These are some of the best loop bands that you can buy, and they're not a sponsor of the channel, they're not a sponsor of mine, nobody's paying me to say this, and I'm just telling you that these are some of the best quality loop bands that I've ever tried. Now, if you want to find out more details on why I love these bands so much, go ahead and click this review video that I did, and I explain exactly why these bands are some of the best. Now let's go ahead and get started with our first exercise of this workout.
Using a light resistance band, what we're going to do is take a band and we're going to step on one foot with it, and then we're going to use our opposite hand holding it straight and raise up on the side for side lateral raises. This is going to work out the middle portion of our delt or our shoulder here, and what you want to do is keep your legs wide, your back straight, so you're going to feel like you're contracting your back, and you're going to raise up that arm. And what you really want to do is when you're coming up, I want you to feel the tension in your shoulders, okay? There's a lot of people who are doing this exercise, they got it down right as far as going straight, but they're not pulling with the shoulder. They're a little bit more so pulling with that wrist there. So you definitely want to feel that tension in the shoulder. So when you change sides, just again, you're doing the opposite. You're putting the band on the opposite foot and you're raising up. Now, using that same light band, we're going to go ahead and put the bands around both of our feet and keep them together. Now we're going to grab the band with our palms down, and we're going to raise up for some front raises to get the front portion of our delts or our shoulders. So we're going to come straight up just like this, parallel, and what you want to do is you want to come in a little bit higher than shoulder level. I'm going to show you with this camera angle what we're aiming for. You want to make sure that you feel that tension right in the front portion of your shoulder to that upper portion of your chest, and maintain that, and you want to control the band up and control it down. And the next thing you want to remember that's super important is hitting that like button. I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. It lets me know what content you really like to see. And if you're really enjoying this series so far in the channel, if you hit that super thanks button, I would really appreciate it. Now for this exercise, we're going to go with a heavy band. So we're going to grab the band and we're going to try to keep them together and flat and step on the band with our feet. And so we're going to grab these loops like handles, going to stand straight up, and we're going to pull straight up to get the rear delts or the rear portion of our shoulders. Now it's very important to use a heavy band on this. People are usually stronger in this area. Now what I want you to feel for or visualize is that you're pulling up your pants. So that's right, so pulling up your pants is going to go ahead and put your shoulders in the perfect position to get those rear delts, and you want to make sure that your elbows are coming behind the body, and this is a real good way to go ahead and develop a nice roundness with your shoulders. So on this next exercise, we're going to use a medium band. And if you've been following the no attachment series, you've seen this exercise before. These are back flies. And so what you're going to do is grab that band, put them on each end of your hand, and you're going to squeeze and pinch that back there. So this is really good for working out the rear delts. And a reason why it's in the back exercise is because it also works out your traps. Those traps and those rear delts work hand in hand. Now you want to make sure that when you come all the way to the back, you want to squeeze that back as tight as possible to really work those shoulders.
This is how you should add this workout to your weekly schedule. Now use the videos from the no attachment playlist and apply them this way. I recommend you work out 5 days a week with 2 days rest. Make sure you take those 2 days rest. Now on those workout days, you should be working out this way. On day 1, biceps and triceps. On day 2, I want you to work out your chest and your traps. On day 3, work out your shoulders from this video and your back. And on day 4, go ahead and work out your legs. Now on that last day, on day 5, I want you to work out your abdominals and your forearms. And then don't forget to take those 2 days rest. So now that you're done with this video, go ahead and do the other workouts from the no attachment playlist. And if you're working out your shoulders today, you need to work out your back. So go ahead and click that video next.